Hello everyone, this is Space News for the month of September 2020, brought to you by the Multimedia Learning Center at Frostburg State University. Astronomers using the James Clerk Maxwell Telescope, with follow-up observations using the Atacama Large Millimeter Array, have found a possible biosignature in the form of phosphine in the clouds of Venus. They found more phosphine than they can account for using known geochemistry and other means such as lightning. So they propose that the best explanation may be from microbes, which are well known for producing the molecules here on Earth. As you can imagine, this is receiving much scrutiny. We'll have to see what future observations find. For the early morning people out there, Venus is currently visible in the east just before the sun rises. In other news, the Chandra X-ray Observatory released an archive of images that combine X-ray and other wavelengths of light. The collection includes an edge-on view of a star-bursting galaxy spewing hot plasma into space. A galaxy cluster, one of the largest structures in the universe. The remnant of a supernova that occurred in 1987. The debris from the eruption of one of the largest known stars in the universe. Signatures of star formation that was triggered by a smaller galaxy passing through a larger one. And the end of life for a star similar to our own, giving us a glimpse of what awaits our sun in about 4.5 billion years from now. Experts from NASA and the NOAA announced this month that Solar Cycle 25 began in December 2019, when the sun's activity had reached a minimum. The sun's activity, referring to the number of storms and the number of sunspots, increases and decreases about every 11 years. In the next half-decade to come, you can expect to see more interesting solar features. Don't use your unaided eyes, though. At FSU, we have special telescopes with filters made for observing the sun. We leave you with this image taken by the Hubble Space Telescope. It shows a small section of the Cygnus supernova blast wave, located about 2,400 light-years away. The explosion blasted apart a star about 20 times the mass of the Sun between 10,000 and 20,000 years ago. The shockwave is expanding at about 220 miles per second. Those are the stories that caught our attention this month. This is Dr. Jason Spates, wishing everyone clear skies.